Hey Matthew, Alan here. Just thought I would make this little video for you. It would take me too long to try to write all these things and it probably wouldn't make any sense. So I thought if I show you this, it might help you a little better. Anyway, so first I want you to show this. This is called the wave principle. It's from the book of Preston Blair, and he has this very nice breakdown of the 5 basic shapes that you need in order to get that nice fluid movement on the tail. So here he has the first shape, number 1. The reason I'm showing this is because I already drew over your animation, but it's very hard to draw on that QuickTime video with a Wacom tablet. It's really hard, so I want you to keep in mind that these are the shapes that you should have, and I will illustrate that later. It will make sense. So again, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. If you go back to assignment, you can see here shape number 1, just like I showed you before. Have shape number 2, we can flip it back again, which is the reverse OS, right? And then we have shape number 3, right, which has a little curve on the back end. And again, my drawings are not perfect, so I want you to keep referring back to this drawings over here. But this will give you a nice idea. So drawing number 4, it's a curve and a little drag in the tail. This is a bit too much again, but you get the feeling once I play this at speed. And shape number 5, it's when you finally reverse. So you get to this point over here, right? So if you go back to this part here, it's where the drag starts because it's really getting pulled by the ball. So you have this dragging where it comes from. Of course, I cannot go past the floor, but this whole part here is being dragged along the path. It's very important that you keep this flowing along the path. Just use your arc tracker, it should help you track this tail. This is also the part that you keep dragging along the path, and you drag. Then here you start your reversal shapes again. Like I said in the beginning, you have number 1 here, again number 1, and you S shape is the number 2. Number 3, it's almost there, drag a little bit the tail. Number 4, this is a little bit off again, very hard to draw here. It's minor drag in the tail and mostly over there. This is the final shape. Then he start to drag again. Ooh, this is a really bad drawing, but you get the idea that you should be reversing. But since you cannot go past the floor, you're just gonna have this curve here dragging along the floor. Here you're already pulling and dragging all the way. Make sure you have a nice flowing C shape, just going all the way to the other side. As you can see, I went off over here because I don't have my tracker here, so I cannot keep track of my arcs, so it's very hard to draw in the path here, but you get the idea once I play this at speed. And you get to this here again, and you would start, all the shapes once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That should help you loosen up. Let me play at speed, see how this plays. Pardon my drawings again, but you can see it's a much better flowing shape for the tail. Anyway, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, shoot me a message. I'll be glad to help. Right? Have a good week.